Okay, Scipio, now, don't pull my shirt. I'm going to clean your cage here, okay? I'm going to clean your cage. Hey, be careful there. Don't. Watch what you're doing. Hey, don't do that, Scipio. Don't pull on my shirt. That isn't nice. Now stop that. Don't do that. Stop that, Scipio. Hey, you're pulling my shirt. That's a nice shirt. How would you like it if I pulled your feathers? Hey, stop that. Stop, Scipio. You're pulling my shirt to pieces. That isn't nice. Woo. Yeah, that's right. Woo. Don't pull my shirt. What's that, huh? What's that? It's... Hey, stop that. Scipio, stop pulling my shirt. Please. It's not nice. You like if I pull a bit your feathers, right? That's my... Huh? All right. Hello. I'm sorry, huh? All right, you're sorry. I forgive you. Just don't bite my shirt. It's not nice. Ooh, don't bite my shirt. Sorry. Yeah, I heard you. You're sorry. Now what are you doing, Scipio, huh? What? Hey, good bird, huh? You good bird? Good birds don't pull feathers, right? Good bird.